Hi, my name's Justin. I'm with the Satellite Phone Store, and today we're gonna go over setting up your iSat Phone 2. All right, guys, let's jump into an unboxing real quick, just so we can show what are the basic contents of the box when you get it. When we first get in here, the first thing you'll notice is the quick start guide. See the phone here, this is the battery, and this small phone is actually the user manual, which is a USB drive. Right here is a universal charger. You also have a regular USB cable that you can use your regular phone charger with. You also have a card charger, some other accessories here, and like we pointed out before, the battery and the phone are separated when you get the phone. One other thing to point out, when you do get a phone from Satellite Phone Store, it comes with a SIM card. In order to install the battery, you want to slide this end in first, the flat end there. The round end is at the back. You're going to click it into place, and now the battery is installed. If you end up leaving your phone on, it will completely deplete your battery. If this happens, you need to plug in the phone and give it maybe 20 minutes or so on the USB, and then your phone will come back on and the battery will charge. Now that we have the battery installed, I just want to show you guys this handy little carrier. To use this, you use this clip here, just slide it in with the buttons facing this way, and there you go. Now you have a handy little carrier for your phone. Let's go over the buttons real quick. Your first top left button is your left selection key, or also known as your menu key. To the right of that is search, and then in the middle is your center selection key. The left yellow button is your call button, and the right red button is your end call as well as your on or power key. Below that you'll see the keypad, and the number 1 key when held down is your voicemail. As you can see right here, there are actually 3 buttons: volume down, volume up, and this is a shortcut key for tracking. You have to enable this feature, but this is a tracking button if that's something that interests you. Once we go inside the menu, your first option is messaging, your second option is contacts, your third option is the call log, your fourth option is profiles, which is the sounds for your phone. The fifth option is your location services. That's how we send out tracking information. The sixth option is your alarm, if you'd like to set an alarm for your phone. The seventh option in here is your settings. The eighth option is your GPS position. And finally is your network connectivity. First and foremost, it's really important that when you turn on the phone, you do so in an open area with as little blocking and clear path to the satellites which are stationary over the equator. The important thing is to aim the antenna straight up in the sky and towards the equator. To power on the device, hold down the power button until you feel the device vibrate. The power button is the one with the red symbol on it. To minimize the time it takes to start up the device, ensure you are outside with an unobstructed view of the sky. Turning on the phone indoors and then going outside will only prolong the startup sequence. It takes roughly 40 seconds to turn on and get a signal. You may see a red icon which indicates the device has not acquired GPS signal. Once this goes away, you will have GPS and you will see ready for calls. To make a call, it's super simple. Dial 001 and then the area code and phone number. Hit send. It may take a few seconds for the call to go through. There are 2 methods to dial out a number. The first is you can actually hold down the plus, which is the 0 button. If you hold that down, that will create a plus sign, and then you can dial your number, area code with a 1 in front of it, and then we're going to call the Satellite Phone Store 941-955-1020. The other method is to dial 001 and then the area code. So you can do it whatever works best for you, but either way works. Let's go ahead and call the Satellite Phone Store. Hello, can you hear me?
Hi there, I can. How can I help you?
Yeah, this is Justin with the video team for the Satellite Phone Store. We're just testing out one of your satellite phones.
Okay, sounds good. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Have a good day.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye. And there you have it. Sending a text is also easy. Go into the menu, click on the text icon. dial 001, area code, and phone number. We're going to have to do the old school T9 method to type the message. Once your message is complete, hit send. Text messages will come in automatically when the device gets signal. To set up your voicemail, hold down the 1 key or the key with the voicemail symbol. Follow the prompts to set up your voicemail. Caution: this does use minutes, so our suggestion is to have friends, family, and clients send you text messages which are unlimited and don't use your minutes. Go into the main menu and scroll to Tracking. Go to the bottom and click on Send GPS Location. Send text. Enter 001, area code, and phone number, and then click on Send. If you are interested in sending tracking information, it is a $20 upgrade, and we suggest you just periodically send your location manually. To set up your SOS button, go to mygeos.com/registration. To find your IMEI number and your IMSI number, you'll need to go into your phone, click on Menu. From Menu, you'll go down to Settings. In Settings, you'll click on the About, and then in the About, you'll find out your IMSI number as well as your IMEI number. Your cell phone number should be on the side of the phone, typically the antenna, and that's what you'll use to plug in your number. Select if you are prepaid or postpaid. Then enter the rest of your information and the device will now be activated. To make a purchase or for more information, visit sat619.com.